Probability practice exercises 7 and 8. I see a typo in here. It says giving a test to a group of students, the grades in class are actually summarized below. If one student was chosen at random, find the probability that the student was a sophomore. Okay, so we just want to know probability that they're a sophomore. So this is our total of sophomores, the 26 right here. And so what we're going to look for there is just the probability of sophomore. So we're looking for the 26 out of 65. And that actually reduces to 2/5. Number 8, the table below shows the number of credit cards owned by a group of individuals. If one person was chosen at random, find the probability that the person had no credit cards. Okay, so we're going to look at 0 credit cards. This is 27 out of 81. So the total was 81. 27 of them had 0 credit cards, so 27 out of 81 gives us 1/3.